Hey, this is Alex with the Inside Scoop. Now, I put $100 into a forex pamm account, and in just 30 days, my account grew to 23%. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I reveal the company that was able to do this for me. Now, let's get into it. So I'm going to show you here. You see that my balance says 103. The gross profit on the account has been $28.89 on that $100, and the gross percentage is 27.35%. But it is an 80-20 profit split, so that company keeps 20% and I keep 80%. So that's why my total earning has been 23% on that $100 that I initially invested. So I will go ahead and I'll show you, and I did make a withdrawal as well just to make sure that everything was good with that, right? So I'm going to show you the transaction so you can see that for yourself. So if I go over here to transaction history, you can see that March 4th is when I put in the $100, and on April 7th I requested a withdrawal of $20, which I got to my crypto wallet. Just to make sure that everything was good, because if you're like me, I have been through a lot of different pamm accounts which were not good. They were not good at all, right? And I've learned my lesson, so I wanted to test this with a little bit for at least a month just to give it time to see how these guys do. And these guys have been doing really well in terms of the account management. So if I go to trade history here, you can see here that from March 5th, they started trading. So I deposited March 4th, March 5th, they started trading. So March 5th, they did $2.54. That same March 5th, they did $1.59. March 6th, they did $1.34. Then March 10th, they did $1.15. So they don't trade every day. But what I like about this company is that they're really accurate with their trades, right? Because Forex, you know that you don't want to be on the charts every single day trading. You want to step in at the right moment to catch the good trades. So I like that about them. So they kept on going. And out of all this, you can see that there's only literally one red, right? Which was March 27th. So $1.18. But even that, they bounced right back, $1.83. So even that day was net positive. But that's been the only losing trade in the whole time that I've been with them. Like, guys, this is crazy. This is outrageous. I'm excited. So I wanted to bring this to you guys. I'm excited. All right, so this is the results that I've been getting with them, and it's connected through this service called Pammbridge. Pammbridge is a service that allows me to connect over to these traders. They basically offer the platform to allow this connection to take place, and they literally meticulously vet the traders that they allow on the platform, the ones that provide the PAM service. All right, so at Pammbridge, we connect investors like you with top tier vetted Forex traders who have a proven track record of success. This particular company that I'm with has been trading on Pammbridge since 2018. So they have data backing up to 2018, just showing their track record, guys. Our platform is designed for individuals who want to profit from the Forex market without actively trading. So this is, again, 100% completely passive income for me, allowing you to copy professional traders while maintaining full control over your capital. So that's Pammbridge. You can read, I'll leave the link here if you want to read more about them and go to their website and visit that and stuff like that. But I'll show you later how to join and plug in if you are interested in giving this a go and adding this to your passive income streams. All right, so now that I've shown you Pammbridge, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this particular company's account there. So they're called Pip Logic, and before they offered automation, they were actually offering Forex signals mainly on gold, and the signals were incredible, guys. Like, the accuracy in terms of the signals were just incredible. So I was really excited that they offered the automation. But I'll go over here and go over to my master accounts here, and you can see Pip Logic since September 1st, 2018. It's been an upward trajectory. Now there are other PAM account providers on there, but again, right now I'm just sticking with Pip Logic. The ROI since then has been crazy, 1,555 and change. The win percentage, 80% win percentage. It shows me again the dollar value that of the amount I have subscribed to, and it shows the profit percentage that they get. So they get to keep 20%, right? And I keep 80%. I actually need to deposit first, so I'm gonna go ahead and deposit, and then I want to top up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let me go find deposit here. Actually, before I do that, let me show you how to register. All right, so I just wanted to show you how to register real quick if you're interested in joining this and giving it a go. And if you scroll down to the bottom after you have registered, you can also get your referral link in case you have somebody that wants to give this a go. So anyway, you can copy your link here, and I'll show you how to register. So let me just open a tab here. Paste in the link. It says Zion Zeal at the end. So you're gonna put in your username, whatever you want. Test 1 2 3, whatever your username is, guys. Refer ID, just make sure that it says Zion Zeal. If I referred you, and email address, you can plug in your email address, plug in your password there, and then you click sign me up. So let me just quickly do that, just so you can see what the next page is. All right, so I just gone ahead and created that. Let me go ahead and log in now. Again, I already have an account. I just wanted to show you how to register. So once you log in there, it should take you into the registration page. Perfect, I'm here. So the next thing I need to do is deposit. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my account so I can make that deposit. All right, so to deposit, I'm just gonna go ahead and click here, and I am going to, sorry, it's actually this one here. I'm gonna click deposit. All right, and I'm going to click here, deposit. I'm going to put in the amount and click generate link. Minimum deposit is 100. It is a minimum of 100 to join this, okay guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate link. All right, and it says select your choice. I'm going to use USDT, and the network, I'm gonna use TRC20. Okay, so then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and click proceed to payment. I will grab my link. Perfect, and I'll go over and pay that. So just give me a second while I do that. All right, so you can already see that the deposit is coming through. So I just need to wait till it confirms. Perfect. That was really quick. Literally took like less than a minute. And successful payment. Yeah, okay. Return to website. All right, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, perfect. All right, so I've got 400 in my wallet. Now, very important, what I need to do is allocate the capital over here. All right, so, but for you, because it's your first time depositing, let me switch over to the other screen so I can show you what to do next. All right, so once you have, let me go to the dashboard here. Okay, so once you have the cash here, all you need to do is click here, and you're gonna go to master accounts, and you are going to put in the amount that you have in your wallet. So in this case, if I was doing it on this account, it would be 400, and then I click subscribe. The minimum again is $100. So that's all you literally have to do. Once you click subscribe, you're subscribed to the signal, and tomorrow or the next day, whenever next that they take a trade, you would basically, you know, receive that trade in as part of your account as well, and make profits from that trade. If you have subscribed to this, send me a message on Telegram so I can send you the right group to get added to. It's very important, all right, because this is a community, all right? So send me a message on Telegram if you have subscribed, and I'll make sure that you get added to the right group, okay? All right, so that's pretty much it in terms of that. Once you click subscribe, that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. So if you have any questions, feel free again to ping me on Telegram. But guys, I'm really excited about this opportunity, again, because they have a proven track record back down all the way to 2018. They've been doing really well with signals, which they launched first, and they're doing really well with the automation piece as well. So I'm really super pumped and excited about this opportunity. Hopefully you join me on it, and if you do, send me a message on Telegram so we can connect. All right guys, take care. God bless. Bye.